Hello friends, today I am going to teach you a representation of a set. In previous class we learned about the different type of set, and set is a well-defined objects, collection of well-defined objects that you know. Now we have for represent the set there is a two method. One is roster and second one is set builder form, or this roster method is also known as a tabular method, right? You learn this everything. This is a one kind of revision for you people. So you know in roster method the all elements of a set are listed, right? So all elements of a set are listed. Suppose we have a set A. As we know, set are denoted by capital letters. Set A, right? So we are writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This is the set A. So all elements of a set are listed. So all these elements are listed. This is called members, either elements, right? That you know, right? Elements are being separated by commas and they are enclosed within the braces, set brackets called, this brace is called set brackets. So all elements are separated by commas, right? So these all elements of a set are separated by comma and enclosed in braces. This is called a set bracket. This bracket is called set brackets, right? Now in set, in listing method or roster method, the order in which the elements are listed is immaterial. That is, it is not important the order of the elements. Suppose if we take for example 136, then if you write it's a 163, then it's okay. You can write like this also, 613. Instead of this, you can write here also this 5 1 3 4 2, right? So this is also okay. So order of the numbers is immaterial. You can write any or in any order, right? Also you know that elements are not repeated in listed method. Suppose you have a set A, right, where word of the set of word of good, suppose we take good. Either we can take mathematics. Suppose we can take mathematics, right? A is the set of word being used by mathematics. So you can write like this. Suppose M A T H E M A T I C S. Then this is a wrong way to present the set, because in this M is repeated, T is repeated, and another word is repeated or not. So you can never repeat elements, means you have to write each element only once. You have to write element only once. So you can express this as a this M, right? Also A is repeated, so you can write A again. T is repeated, so you can write T. So this is the proper way to represent a set. Means object or elements is never repeated in this roster or tabular form or listing method also, right? And the second way of represent the set is a set builder form, right? Suppose we have this 1 2 3 4, then we can write this as a with some properties of the set, that is first 5 natural numbers. So we can write like this x, where x is first 5 natural numbers. We can write like this. Either we can express this as a set builder form like this. Suppose x, where 1 is less or equal to x is less than 6, where x belongs to natural number n, where x belongs to natural number n. So this is a representation of a set in a set builder form. So you can change your set from listing method or roster method to set builder form, or you can write from set builder to listing or roster method. So all the elements of a set possess a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set, right? So you have to express the set For example, the set of all even natural numbers. That is, suppose we take E, then E is equal to X, where X is an even natural numbers. Suppose I am writing here another set. Suppose A is equal to X, where X square minus 5X plus 6 is equal to 0, and I am writing X belongs to N. I am writing X belongs to N, right? So this is the way of representing a set in a set builder form. And if you want to express this set in a set builder form, that is from set builder to roster form, then you have to factorize this equation, quadratic equation. So you know equation for this equation, factors are 3 and 2. So this is x minus 3, x minus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3 are the possible values. That is, set A contains two elements, 2 and 3. So this is your roster method from set builder form, right? Now instead of this, if we put here minus, right, and x belongs to n, then you have to remember one thing from representing from set builder to listing method, that is from in roster method or tabular method, that this belongs to this element, final answer must be belongs to this. So here you can usually say that this is belongs to n, right? But for this example, if we take this, then factor of these are, I am writing here, so it is given x square minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0, and x belongs to n is given. X belongs to n is given. So factor of what this is, 6 1 ja 6, and we have to take from subtraction. So that is we get x minus 6, x plus 1 equal to 0. So you will get x is equal to 6, either x is equal to minus 1. Now this x is equal to 6 belongs to n, but this is not belongs to n, so we can't take the value this minus 1. So this set, if we represent this set by B or either A, then in this case A is equal to 6 only, right? But instead of this, if I change the condition, x belongs to Z, then both value are included in Z, so you can take both value. So everything will depend in set builder form, right? So while from set builder form to expressing in roster form, then everything depends on these conditions, right? Because set builder form has a property that everything belongs to given conditions. Okay, so this is the way to express sets. There is two methods, roasted method and set builder method. In roasted method, we are erasing fastly. So in roasted method, all elements are separated by commas and are included in between two braces, that is set brackets. No elements is repeated. And for set builder form, you have to express your set by using some properties. Okay, so these are the ways, right? So now from next lecture, we are going to start a new topic. Okay, so now we can proceed further for examples. So now few very easy examples. So this is a revision for you. Example number 1, page 3. Write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0 in roster form. So it is given set builder form and we have to write express in roster form, that is given. Right? This is not exactly a set builder form. This is equation is given and we have to express this into a roster form. So you know this is given x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is, we have to factorize this. If you factorize this, then 2 1 ja 2. 2 minus 1, we have to subtract because this is minus sign. So we have to subtract factor. So factor of this 2 is 2 1 ja 2. So 2 minus 1, we have to give a big number this middle term sign and we have to subtract. So we give second number minus sign. So factor of these are x plus 2, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this means x plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 1. Right? So if we express this set as set A, then our answer will be minus 2 comma 1. So this is your roster form. Right? Now second question, example number 2, also illustration 2, page 3. Write the set this x is a positive integer and x square less than 40. So positive integer means we have to take x. So here for second example, right, this is your example number 2. X belongs to positive integers, that is n. X belongs to n. It is given positive integers, that is x belongs to n. And you know in n there is a number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n term, right? So if we take, here is given x square is less than 40. So if we say this set as a, right, a is the set, then if we take x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1, then 1 square is less than 40. Is it possible? 1 square is 1, right? So 1 square, that is 1, is less than 40 is possible. So 1 is included in the set. Suppose we take x is equal to 2, then 2 square is equal to 4, is less than 40 or not? So this is correct. So also 2 is possible. If we take 3, then 3 square is 9. Now no need to write. 9 is less than 40. Yes. Then 3 is possible value. 4 square is 16, less than 40. So 4 is also possible. I am not writing now. Check orally. Right. Then 5 square is 25. So 25 is less than 40. So this is possible. 6 square is 36. 36 is less than 40, so 6 is also possible. Now if we take x is equal to 7, then 7 square is equal to 49, which is not less than 40. Say 49 is greater than 40, so 7 is not possible, so it not included in A. So set A is equal to, this is right. So this is your answer here for example number 2. Now, example number 3. Write the set A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 in set builder form. We have to express now this in this set builder form. Right? So, 1 is okay. Now 4. 4 is the square of 2, then square of 3, 9, then square of 4, 16. Oh, are there? So this is square of 25. So what is this? This is the set of square of all natural numbers. So your answer will be, suppose we say this set again A, then A is equal to x, where x is the square of a natural numbers. I am writing NOS as this is numbers. This is numbers. So this is your answer in set builder form, right? So next question, example number 4. Write the set this in also set builder form. So we have to express this set by some properties of a set. Now see here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is first 6 natural numbers, right? So suppose we say that this is set A, then this set A is equal to, then this set A is equal to x. Now what is x? Such that x is equal to, this is natural number, so we can express natural number by n. So can I write n here? So if we put n is equal to 1, then 1, 2, then 2, 3, then 3, 4, then 4, 5, then 5, 6, then 6. Right? We have to go up to 6. Now see, if we add 1 into 1, then 2. 1 into 2, 3. 3 into 1, 4. 1 into 4, 5. So if this is n, this is our n, then n plus 1 is in denominator. So in denominator, n plus 1. One more than this. One more than this. So see, one more than this. One more than this. One more than this. One more than this. So answer is n plus 1. Where 1 is less or equal to n is less or equal to 6. We have to go up to 6 only. So we can write this. For this, we can write like this also. 0 is less or equal to n. Either 0 is less than n, is less than 7, and n belongs to capital N. And n belongs to capital N. Here also you can write, if you want to write n belongs to n, then it's okay, and no need to write n belongs to n, because this is also indicate that you have to take value from 1 to 6. So you can write instead of this also here, right? Or you can write this also, right? So this is the way to express this. Okay. Now then question 5. Again example number 5. Make the following. Right. So this is given is your in roster form, and this is given in your set builder form. So you have to make the sentence both columns. So first is principal and last is this. So A with D, first match with D. So first match with D, second, third, and fourth. Now, so first match with D. So this is corresponds to this. Now 0. Now x is an integer. X plus 1 is equal to 1. X is an integer. X plus 1 is equal to 1. So if we solving this, x plus 1 is equal to 1. This implies taking 1 to right hand side. It becomes x is equal to 0. So where is the 0? This is. So 2 with C. So 2 corresponds to C. So this 2 is with C. Now you have to decide for 3 and 4. Right? Now this is 3 into 3. Sorry, this we have to express in set bracket. So 3 minus 3. Then B. Now B, x is an integer and x square minus 9 equal to 0. Now it is given x square minus 9 equal to 0. We have no space, so I am writing here. This space is enough to me. This is x square minus 9 equal to 0. This is a square minus b square. Either you can write like this also, x square is equal to 9. And you know, if we take square root of any number, then it's a positive or negative. So x is equal to plus or minus 3. So x is plus or minus 3 is this. So 4 with b. So 4 is with, sorry, b. This is b. Then third, x is a positive integer and is a divisor of 18. So divisor of 18. So divisor of 18 is 9, 18, 2 and 1. Right? And 6 3s are. So 3 and 6 also. So 3, 6. These all are divisor of 18. These all are divisor of 18 are given. See, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So this is correct answer. So 2 is corresponds to A. So 2 is with A. So that is third. This is 3 with corresponds to A. So these are very easy questions for you, right? So you can understand. So do practice at home. Okay. Thank you.